Hello everyone, this is Prakash Kumar Solanki from Srinigala 1 Primary School, Block Rajula District Amreli, and here I am to explain my toy Stop Ready Go board game. This toy is prepared under the target group of upper primary. The category is physical toy and the suggestive theme of the toy is learning, education and schooling. So here is the objectives and the rest of the details regarding the game. So this is the toy made by me. Its name is the Stop Ready Go board game. You can see clearly that on the board the various places are mentioned, and also you can observe that some of the traffic signs like no parking, school ahead, traffic light is there, speed limit is there, no parking zone, etc. Such places are also mentioned on the game board. For your better understanding, I can say that this game is prepared on the base of the theme of like Monopoly game. Players can understand well that how to play the game. For that I have also prepared a game user manual. In the game user manual all the details are mentioned in the Gujarati as well as the English, so player can read the instruction and can find out that how to play the game. This game can be played by minimum 2 or maximum 4 players. For the players here tokens are given and the dice is given. So to play the game effectively, for getting the rewards, for paying the fine and the payments, here the money currency is also prepared for the players. So you can see that this currency which I have prepared on the name of my school. So in the starting of the game, whatever the players are playing the game, they will distribute the money in the equal amount among themselves, and the one portion that they have to keep for the bank. Along with that, you will see here that some of the signboard cards and some of the title cards are also prepared by me, which are helpful for the playing the game. So now let's understand that how the game will be played. Whoever players are playing the game, that they have to start from the corner of the game board where the home is mentioned. So the player will take their token and they will take the dice. Now player have to throw the dice on the board, and what number is indicated by the dice, that many steps player have to move on the board. So suppose the green player got the 3 number, so he will move 3 steps on the board. So here card is mentioned, so he will say that what the card is, which office is there, so RTO office. So they will go to the title card, so where is the RTO office, so here the card of the RTO office. So player will collect and he will read behind. Here it is mentioned that from the RTO office the player can get the license for driving, because without license to drive this is a crime, and now the player will get the license from the RTO office. So the player can understand well about the importance of the license. In the similar way, while playing, the player will come across from the various places like the school is ahead, or they will go to the PUC center also. So suppose any player is reached to the PUC center, then he will again go to the title cards, he will collect the card for the PUC center, and he will understand that the PUC certificate is very essential to drive the vehicle, and time to time they have to service their vehicle so the vehicle will remain pollution free. Here they got the PUC for their vehicle, so player is got the rewarded of the 50 rupees, so he will get the 50 rupees from the bank. In the similar way, while playing, they will pass across the various places, like that here is the sign of a no parking. So again the player will go to collect the signboard card. So here is the card for the no parking. So when he will turn the card, he will read that this is the no parking place, and to park vehicle here, so player have to fine 100 rupees. So he have to pay the 100 rupees to the office. They will go to the primary school, and that also title card they can get from there, and they will understand that they have to continue their schooling even after the 8th standard. The PUC center is there, giveaway is there, the jail is also there. If they are doing any crime like the accident on the road, then they can go to the jail also. In the same way, insurance office is there. For that they will also get the insurance card. The no parking zone is there, traffic lights are there. In the same way, if they move on, they will also see the signboard. What this signboard mentioned, it mentioned that the railway crossing is ahead, so they have to drive slowly. In the same way, such kind of signboards which are coming on the road, it represents that they drive very slowly, the sign of petrol pump, hospital, etc. And the game should not finish very easily and quickly, so some of the places are mentioned on the board. From there the player have to go back to particular places. Example that one is here, post office is shown. So when the player will reach to the post office card, so post office card says that they have to do the saving account in the post office, and the player forgot the money at the home, so again the player will go back to the home and will start from the home. In the similar way, suppose any player reach to the stop. So at the stop, they will collect the card, and the stop card says that they have to show here license. So in case in the starting from the RTO office, the player didn't reach and didn't got the license, in that case, again from the stop button, the player have to reach back to the RTO office, and again from here he have to start the game. In the similar way, suppose the player reach to this particular place like a hotel. So we'll collect the card for the hotel, and nowadays to stay in the hotel, Aadhaar card is necessary. So if the player has not got the Aadhaar card from the Jan Seva Kendra of the Mamlatdar Kacheri here, then the player have to go back to the Mamlatdar Kacheri Jan Seva Kendra and have to get the Aadhaar card from over there and have to start the game again from there. So in the same way, passing through all such places, when the player who reaches back to the home, that person will be announced as a winner. So this is all about the game of stop, ready, go.